All right, guys, we are going to review our high frequency words. Happy Tuesday. Okay, we did this in our vocabulary video, but we're also going to do this in separately. So we're going to look at our high frequency words again. What is this word right here? Good. This is the word do. Remember, do you like to be my friend? What is this word? The word the. Excellent. The word like, we, and the last one is one. Remember the number one. Let's go through those one more time, and let's do them quickly. Ready? The word do. What is the word do? Very good. The, like, we, and one. Very good. Okay, so I'm just making this quick little video to review those words, and then this is what we're going to do today. Using those high frequency words that we've been working on these 2 days, you are going to use those words to complete the sentences. So we have to use these words in the sentences. And so these are some words that we have to remember and we have to practice. So remember, what is this one? We, do, the, one, and like. So we're going to complete the sentence with the words from the box. So you can use the words up here to help. So this is your assignment. This activity is in your MyView book on page 56. So you're going to go to page 56 in your book and you're going to complete this page and then take a picture and upload it to me. But let's just kind of try to do some together. The first one is already there for you. You just have to trace it. So what's this word? Like the pan. Very good. I like the pan. That is the sentence with the word like. Very good. So we can say we already used that word. Okay. So let's see. I tap blank. I tap we. Does that make sense? I tap do. I tap the. I tap one. Which one of these makes the best sense? To me, I would think it would be I tap one, right? I can tap one. To represent one, we can do one tap. So I would write the word one here. This sentence has two words from our box up here. So let's see. Blank, we tap blank pan, question mark. What does a question mark mean? That's right. It means we're asking a question. So which one of these words do we use to ask a question? The word we, the word do, or the word the? The word do. So I would write do and make sure you put that uppercase capital D because it's the beginning of a sentence. Do we tap blank pan? Do we tap we pan? Or do we tap the pan? The. Okay? And then blank can tap and tap. So I want you to complete this activity. If you do not have your MyView book, it is inside of Seesaw. When you're done, take a picture and upload it to me.